Zimbabwe's political crisis continues to deepen as speculation grows over President Emmerson Mnangagwa's plans to extend his tenure beyond the constitutional limit. While Mnangagwa is publicly denied an intention to alter the constitution, political analysts and opposition voices argue that his actions tell a different story. Sanabira mashoko atinoti aiwa vanhu varatidza kuti vaanalyza zviri kuitika munyika yezimbabwe vachiti aiwa a person who rose to power through a military coup and akarega my-elections twice angazobvuma here kurespect the constitution. Sanabira mashoko anodanirwa panapa nemaanalyst people subscribe like otombo bell icon tipina panapa muchenjeri redu. The situation is further complicated by a military abuse witnessed on 19 February on the capital, Harare, which some believe is an intimidation tactic to suppress dissenting voices within both the ruling party and the general public. In a recent address to journalists, Mnangagwa dismissed the claims that he seeks to postpone the 2020 elections and extend the terms of the presidency, parliament, and the local councils until 2030. However, reports from inside ZANU-PF and the constitution of the slogan 2030 Mnangagwa and failure of Mnangagwa to stop these groups suggested that some of the closest allies are actively advocating for such a move. This has led many to question the president's true intentions. Speaking to Change Radio on Thursday, opposition Senator Mafa Sivanda expressed skepticism over Mnangagwa's denial, pointing out his history of political maneuvering and contradictory statements in courts. Today, it is not very clear and precise what Mnangagwa is up to, because when he points to the left, he would be pointing to the right. When he says this thing is right, he would be saying this thing is wrong. So it is very difficult for us to understand his shoddy movements, Sivanda remarked. These moves are just because they are not clear and they are not precise. They are confusing. People, they are not yet to understand what this leader is trying to say. Tunze mafunguro enyu tukudipa msoro pichitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mze mafunguro enyu. Sana subscribe or like. Turn on the bell.